Hello. Nomad Sculpt and export GIFs. You need the Nomad Sculpt version 1.6.5 or later. Okay. This is the Nomad app, and you find it here. Go to the settings here, and here's the interface setting, and here's the debug setting. And under the debug settings is the GIF export, and the duration is the speed of the turntable, I think. I press here and let's test it. Now yes, this is a GIF, and when you want to save it, it is a GIF image about 2 MB. When you increase the duration and press again, then it takes a little bit longer. Now it rotates like this, and now the GIF image is about 9 MB. Yes, when you save the image, and now it's in the photo library, and yes, it's fine. Nice. Yes, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.